Video script, let me tell you about privacy screens. People are looking at your phone, your laptop, everywhere you go. It's a disaster. These privacy screens, they block the view. Huge. You put one on, and suddenly nobody can see your stuff. I use them. They're fantastic. Great for business, great for security. You know what's bad? Hackers. But with a privacy screen, you're safe. It's a win. People say, oh, it's expensive. Wrong. It's cheap compared to getting hacked. Get one. Trust me, visual search terms.